Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling a fundamental skill: how to transfer your cryptocurrency from Binance to another wallet. Whether you're looking to move your assets to a more secure hardware wallet or just diversify your holdings, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you haven't already, head to the Binance website or app and enter your credentials. Security is key, so double-check that you're on the official site to avoid any phishing scams. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is usually found in the top menu or by clicking on your profile icon. Here, you'll see a list of all your assets. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, for example, let's say Bitcoin. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option next to that asset. This will open a new page where you'll need to enter the details of the receiving wallet. Carefully paste in the wallet address from your external wallet. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent any costly mistakes. Don't forget to select the correct network for your transfer. For instance, if you're sending Ethereum, make sure it's on the ERC20 network. Then, enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction fees. Binance will show you an estimated fee, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. After that, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the network congestion. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your crypto. Remember, always keep track of your transactions on a blockchain explorer to ensure everything went smoothly. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.